Good morning, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, here with you. Taking a look at the surface map. We have the cold front lined up out to the west near Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, and a low pressure area going to be approaching the coast. The upper level disturbances will be coming across tomorrow, and that'll make the atmosphere unstable with some heating of the day, and there's going to be a high probability of severe thunderstorms in the eastern coast area of Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, straight down through Florida, and up through southern parts of New Jersey and southern parts of Pennsylvania at this point. As this front swings in to the warm, humid air mass, we get some lift in the atmosphere with these disturbances, and the jet stream's also riding right around where I'm rolling this yellow mark right now. It's rolling through Virginia and that area, so some extra lift and some extra turning with the winds with height could also occur. Thus, there's an isolated shot of tornadoes also. Taking a look at our satellite mapping, it's visually see there's now clearing going on in the Roanoke Valley, down to New River Valley and into parts of Tennessee. You also got the front you can see hanging back here, and where there's thunderstorms in Missouri at this point at about 2 o'clock in the morning. Current radar shows a little bit of light shower activity way back out to the west. Nothing going on in the Roanoke Valley right now. Tomorrow's outlook, you can see a slight risk will be Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, Richmond. I would also be a little bit hesitant, say that we won't get any severe weather back near Roanoke. It depends on daytime heating really in this, and this was issued a little earlier. There'll be a new issuance coming up here in about 2 or 3 hours. Right now we're going to take a look at lifted index here. Some lifted indexes, -2s, -3s, -4s, up to negative about 5. Up here near New York City, we have some -5 lifted indexes. -6 out here in the Midwest, so this could be a focal point. And really high up in southern Canada. We're going to close to -10s. Southern fetch is also going to give you higher dew points, Roanoke and East. I would say Roanoke and East is going to be your best shot for any widespread severe thunderstorms. When you're looking to state of Virginia and cut the line like in this area, that's going to be your main shot. So where I live in Bedford County, that's going to be an interesting. It's going to be an interesting spot east of the Blue Ridge when you get that lifting atmosphere tomorrow. So I'm definitely going to keep you updated on that. I want to bring something new up here. This is called WeatherScope. This comes from the Oklahoma Mesonet, and you actually can take this program and expand it out, use radar data, you can put any kind of data you really want into it, and put the query in there. I have KFCX radar, I have KJKL radar, which is out of Kentucky. I have weather advisories, rain since midnight, which is you're going to see this green back here with this line, and advisories like your flood warning going on here. What you're seeing is you can overlay these quarries onto this to get a good radar sense, and you can do any type of radar. You can do it at different levels of the atmosphere. It's free to get. I'm gonna promote this. It's called WeatherScope. If you type that in, you should be able to find it, and all you gotta do is learn how to use the software. It's freeware, and you put all this information there and use it to your advantage, much like I'm going to do here. It's a product of Oklahoma Mesonet National Weather Service type information. You can do a lot with it. So I recommend this software and freeware. Taking a look at the tropics in the Atlantic and the Caribbean, nothing at this time. Eastern Pacific, we have a better shot. We're going to take a look at the satellite picture in a minute. Over here, this is from that disturbance over the weekend that I told you about that moved out. It's getting better organized. So you have a 30 to 50% chance of another area further out, thousands of miles from Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. Here's the one area of disturbed weather. It's starting to get its act together. The center circulation's about in here. The other one, the center circulation's out and out here, and it's starting to wrap around. As I said, this one has a better shot. It's on the monsoon trough that's located about here, and it's getting itself better organized as we speak. So look out for possible development in the Eastern Pacific in the next day. Typhoon Khansan is out in the Western Pacific, and we're going to see, as you see here, the typhoon will make landfall at 00 Zulu on the 13th, continue to move inland and go towards Hong Kong. So on the 17th is 00 Zulu. So this possibly back as a typhoon, if not as a tropical storm. Winds look to be up around 55 to 65 knots at this point, and at this point about 90 knots. So and it's moving at 17 knots to the west at this point. So we need to be if you live out there and that's maybe on in the military out there, give them a heads up about this typhoon. And now for your forecast for the Greater Roanoke Valley, we have 68 and patchy fog tonight, maybe thick, dense fog tomorrow. 85 degrees. Chance of showers, thunderstorms after some daytime heating, possibly severe. Keep an eye out. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com. Tuesday nights, high probability of thunderstorms, 70 degrees. 89 on Wednesday, 92 on Thursday and Friday, and about 90 on Saturday, with chance of thunderstorms each and every day. Minus Thursday is going to probably be your driest bet. This is Dean Davison for liveweatherblogs.com with your Tuesday forecast. I hope everybody enjoys their second work day of this week, and have a great day.